Hey space fans, welcome back to Channel Name, your hub for all things cosmic. On August 15, 2025, NASA and India's ISRO hit a major milestone with their NISAR satellite, unfurling a massive 39-foot radar antenna in orbit. This joint mission is set to revolutionize how we track Earth's changing surface, from melting glaciers to earthquake-prone faults. Stick around as we break down what this means for science and why it's a game-changer. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's blast off into the details. Let's set the scene. On July 30, 2025, the NISAR satellite, short for NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, launched from India's Satish Dhawan Space Center. Just 17 days later, on August 15, the mission team successfully deployed its massive 39-foot drum-shaped radar antenna reflector. This thing is huge, about the width of a school bus, and it's the largest antenna ever deployed for a NASA mission. Here's how it worked. The antenna was stowed like an umbrella during launch, attached to a 30-foot boom. On August 9th, the boom started unfolding joint by joint over 4 days. Then on August 15th, explosive bolts fired to release the reflector, which bloomed, unfurling in just 37 minutes to its full size, locked into place by motors and cables. It's a marvel of engineering, and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL, says it's a critical step for the mission. Karen St. Germain, NASA's Earth Science Division Director, called this a significant milestone. Why? Because this antenna powers NISAR's ability to scan Earth's surface with unmatched precision, down to fractions of an inch. So, what's NISAR all about? This satellite is a beast for Earth observation. It uses 2 radar systems, an L-band from NASA and an S-band from ISRO, to scan nearly all of Earth's land and ice surfaces twice every 12 days. The L-band can see through clouds and forest canopies, while the S-band is great for spotting light vegetation and snow moisture. This means NISAR can track how glaciers are melting, how land shifts after earthquakes or volcanoes, and even how forests and wetlands are changing. It's like giving scientists a high-res 3D movie of Earth's surface. For example, it can measure ground movement down to pixels 30 feet across using a technique called Synthetic Aperture Radar, or SAR, which simulates a massive 12-mile-wide antenna for super-sharp images. Paul Rosen, NISAR's project scientist at JPL, says SR is like a camera lens. The bigger the aperture, the sharper the image. Without it, space radars would be too blurry to be useful. NISAR's data will help with everything from disaster response to infrastructure monitoring and even agriculture. NISAR isn't just a tech marvel, it's a testament to international teamwork. This mission is a decades-long partnership between NASA and ISRO, building on projects like the CSAT radar in 1978 and Magellan's Venus mapping in the 1990s. NASA's JPL provided the L-band radar, boom and reflector, while ISRO contributed the S-band radar, spacecraft bus, and launch. Posts on X are buzzing with excitement, with users calling NISAR a landmark for US-India space collaboration and praising its potential to redefine Earth monitoring. The data from NISAR could help global communities prepare for natural disasters, protect food security, and even track climate change impacts in real time. Phil Barella, NISAR's project manager at JPL, says the team is now fine-tuning the satellite for science operations, aiming to start delivering data by late fall 2025. With the antenna deployed, NISAR is gearing up to change how we understand our planet. By late fall, it'll start beaming back high-res data that scientists and decision-makers can use to save lives and resources. Imagine better predictions for landslides, faster responses to earthquakes, or smarter farming practices, all powered by NISAR's radar. But there's more to come. NASA and ISRO are already looking at future missions, and NISAR's success could pave the way for even more advanced Earth-observing tech. For now, the focus is on calibrating those radar systems to ensure the data is spot on. Want to explore NISAR in 3D? Check out NASA's Eyes on the News beta for an interactive look at the satellite. Link in the description. NISAR's giant antenna is up and running, ready to give us a front-row seat to Earth's dynamic changes. This NASA-ISRO mission is a big win for science and global collaboration. What are you most excited about? Tracking glaciers, earthquakes, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more space and science updates, and check out our video on NASA's latest Mars mission. Thanks for watching, and let's keep exploring the universe together.